It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2016 GMC Yukon Denali. Let's start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. On the driver's door, power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, power folding mirrors, auto express windows, the child lock button, a programmable memory seat, and we've got the premium Bose sound system. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and those buttons are found on the front passenger seat also. Denali badging in both the headrests, power sunroof up above. To the left of the steering wheel, we've got the telescopic steering wheel button. We've also got interior light buttons, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, heads-up display button, and the information tab, traction control, park assist, lane departure alert, power adjustable foot pedals, and the trailer brake. Next, I'll climb right in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side, we've got the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel button. On the right side, we've got the audio buttons. Here we have the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by pushing the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, we have the power sunroof buttons, the power liftgate button, and the programmable garage door opener. Down below, we have GMC's Infotainment Center. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation. And this screen doubles as our backup camera. Down below, we've got a button here to raise that screen up. It reveals a storage compartment with a USB plug-in. We've also got the push start button, a CD player, dual climate control with air conditioning, rear climate control, heated and cooled front leather seats, and on top of the center console, we've got the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Under the hood of the Yukon is the 6.2-liter V8 engine, fog lights at the front, 22-inch wheels, power running boards down below, roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. And at the back, we've got the power lift gate. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV. On the passenger door, we've got power windows and a cup holder. On the backs of both front seats, there are seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got the rear climate control buttons, heated rear seats, and some power plug-ins. To gain access to the third row, we can use the center aisle or pull the lever located on the side of the seat. In the rear, we've got 3 additional seats. We've also got some cup holders and a power plug-in. So come take a look at the 2016 GMC Yukon Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.